Hello friends, this is Kumar and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Friends, as you can see from the screen as well that it's an it's an thanking kind of video. Actually, I received a gift hamper from Vineet Pandey sirs. To tell you in brief that I made a video of unboxing video of Vineet Pandey sir's book, and it was kind of a kind of review as well of external sides of the book. Although I didn't comment on the internal things of the book, I commented on the cover, the book pages, and it was a kind of product review, not the not the book review. So I uploaded it on YouTube. I made a video. I unboxed on this book on YouTube, and which you liked very well, and I hope you have seen that video. If you haven't seen yet, you can see that video first and then come to this video because it will help you. Okay, so I made a video which he liked. Yes, he liked, and one of his teammates he mailed me and he asked me to call him so that we can further proceed with this gift hamper. And when I called him, he told me that Vineet Pandey sir liked my video and it motivates him to see that people are liking his work, that people are liking his his work that he has put in this book. This is the book I'm talking about. I made a review on this book. If you want to see that review, you can go you can scroll down and you will get the link in the description. Okay, so I made a video on this book and he liked it. Yes, he liked it, but that's what his teammates told him. Sumit told me that Vineet Pandey sir has liked my video and he would like to give me a gift hamper. And yes, and who doesn't like gifts? So yes, okay, fine. And he, some basic formalities like address inquiry and further inquiries of the regarding the gift hamper. And it took almost more than a month, but finally the gift hamper is here. Yes, friends, the gift hamper is here. And when I got a call from the postmaster, I felt very happy. I was thinking that maybe he has forgotten about it. Because it has been a long time since we talked and I didn't receive any gift. So I thought the post office employees might have lost it, or Vineet sir might have forgot about it. But the finally gift is here. The gift hamper is here. As you can see, here is my address, and I will blur it, but there is Vineet Pandey sir's address. You will get to see it. Okay, so this is a gift hamper, a little tiny gift hamper that I'm going to unbox. Yes, first I unboxed his book, and now I'm going to unbox the gift hamper I received from his team. About the book, I will also, I had told you in the earlier video that I will give a proper review of internal things of the books as well. I'm going through the book, and soon I will be uploading the proper book review when I will finish the book. But now let us unbox this this particular gift hamper. It will take a little bit time. So finally it's opened. I have kept it aside in this box, although I will preserve it. I would like to preserve things. Even I will preserve this box as well. Let me open this as well. Oh, there's a diary inside it. Let it keep it there. Okay, so there is this diary 2022. Okay, already. Yeah. I don't want to mention the price, but yeah, it's lovely. Let me open this as well. Okay, finally we are here. Okay, so yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful diary. I love to write diary. I hope he knows that. I do write diaries on daily basis, though I have I don't write it on daily basis these days. When I was in college, I used to write my diary on daily basis because there was a lot of fun in college. But now, as I'm in home, we are logged, so there's not much to write about. Though I love to write diaries. It's a kind of notepad diary, but still I would like to preserve it. There's a quote written in here. I hope you can see that. I will read it for you. Success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Thank you, sir. It was this quote. This was very necessary for me. I'm having through some bad patches of my life, so this gift hamper will give me some motivation to continue doing the great work. As you know that I have been doing work on YouTube since 2 to 3 years, but I'm not getting that much success that I hope, that I desire. Not only in YouTube but in real life as well. I'm not getting that much success that I desire, that I hope for, that I work for. But still, this gift will surely give me confidence and give me the spirit to continue doing the great work, to continue doing the hard work. Because it's not possible to achieve your dreams. It's not impossible to achieve your dreams if you continue working hard. So yeah, this diary will obviously give me very much confidence, I would say, and I really loved it. And it's even his appreciation would have been enough for me, but this gift, it's really made my day. When I got a call from the post office, and I knew that it is a gift from his side, and yeah, I was very happy. As you can see, even I'm looking very glad right now as well. So yeah, this gift is really awesome, is really amazing, and I do love to write diaries. I hope he knows that. I do love to write diaries, but since I had left college, so I don't write it on daily basis right now. But yeah, I used to write on daily basis when I was in college because there was a lot of fun. But now it's not that much to write about, since we are in home, and there's nothing to write about in home, I guess. So yeah, I really loved this diary, and there's not just a diary, there are other gifts as well. There's a pen. It's a beautiful pen, as you can see. It's a Parker pen. Yeah, it's a very beautiful pen. Again, I don't want to mention the price, though it is written here, and I can tell you. I hope you know that it's a Parker pen, and I know you. It's a very beautiful pen. I'm not going to open it since I would like to keep it. I would like to keep it for the big purpose. Okay. So yeah, you can, once again, you can see, you can have a look at that, and it's a very beautiful pen, I would say. Okay, so yeah, I love both these gifts. This diary, I would obviously use this diary and this pen as well, but not now. I will start using this diary when I require, and this pen I would keep it for the big purpose when I will achieve something, and I will use this pen on a great when I achieve that height where what I desire for. Okay, so I'm going to keep it aside. There's another gift as well. Okay, so there's this t-shirt, this black t-shirt. I hope he knows that black is my favorite, one of my favorite color, not the favoriest, but one of my favorite color, black. And you know the best thing, look, here it is written. You can read it. One dream JRF, hashtag Venetian. It's awesome. One dream JRF, hashtag Venetian. Yeah, we are Venetians, and I don't have the words to thank him. I don't have the words to praise him. I really admire him. I do follow him. Uh, and I really loved this t-shirt. I really loved it. The stuff is very good, though the stuff doesn't matter. It's a gift from his side, and uh, I really don't have the words to thank him. Let me first wear this shirt, and then we will try to thank him. We will talk after that. So friends, here I am wearing this shirt. As you can see, one dream JRF Venetian, hashtag Venetian. So yeah, it's very fit, and it's quite fit, very fit, I would say. And I really loved this shirt, and I'm going to keep it. I'm going to preserve it as long as I can. So finally, here going to thank Vineet sir. So here my message for sir. Uh, Thank you very much, Vineet sir. It really inspired me, and it really motivates me. I was having some as I mentioned earlier, I was having some really I'm going through a bad patch of my life, but a gift from your side has really motivated me. It has inspired me, and I would really like to thank you for this gift hamper, for these gifts as well. There are this diary which I really like to write, and this Parker pen, one of my favorite pen, and this T-shirt as well, which I'm going to preserve. I'm going to preserve all these things, and uh, they are uh, they are like they are very precious things for me. It doesn't matter how much they cost, but yeah, like my all other gifts, I'm going to preserve this one as well. So here I would like to end this video, friends. Tell me in the comment section how you feel about it, and how do you like my shirt, and do you like this one tag, that is one dream for GRF, hashtag Venetian. uh, uh, Sir has also told me that he would call me and he would talk to me, but till now I have not received any call from him. Though I would like to personally meet him after getting my call, which is there, as you know. So yeah, that's all from my side for this video. And once again, I would like to thank Vineet sir for this huge gift. It's really amazing to have a gift, to receive a gift from your teacher. uh, Even as I mentioned earlier, as I told you earlier, even appreciation would have been enough for me, but this gift means a lot, especially from his side. If you like this video, then please do like, comment, and share the video, and please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell so that you will receive the notification whenever we upload any video. That's all from my side. We'll see you in another video as soon as possible. Thank you very much for joining the video.